I'm getting ready to prank my 80-year-old mom. She just found out she's got to go into the post office to pick up her package. And it's 100 degrees outside. So you know she's pissed. I'm going to add a little more drama to her day. I'm going to talk about what I want to do to the vents in my car to keep the bugs out. Now, she knows I'm a bugophobic, and it absolutely gets on her nerves. Then, I'm going to talk about stopping here and stopping there. And I know that when she goes somewhere, she wants to make a beeline straight back home. She don't want to do no stopping. I have a little extra to add to her day. So let's have a little fun. You ready, Mom? Now, Mama, if I take these things off, you think it'd be hard to take these covers off?
And do what?
And put like a screen.
I wouldn't mess with that.
Like
bitch.
I did with the vent in the house.
I don't know. It look
No,
like you.
no bugs get through.
Ain't no bugs coming through that. Bitchy, what did you hyper?
They got those
Chondriac?
little screens.
God.
Say what?
Oh.
It's only 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
Give me strength.
4 vents I can cover. Could you help me?
Nope.
Come on, Mom. You should help me with the inside vent.
I'm not helping nobody in no car. Leave this car alone, girl.
It'll catch the bugs. Them bugs, the snakes you was talking about, won't be able to come through.
Oh, you know you were wounded.
What? I'm wounded.
You're wounded from childhood.
Oh,
That's
man.
a shame.
I'm wounded.
You're wounded soul.
I just got a bugophobia.
Yeah, and you got more than
You
the
wounded?
You got. No, I ain't wounded.
We
I'll be
all
damned.
wounded. We all wounded.
I'm not wounded. No.
Everybody's wounded.
I lived past all my wounds.
Oh, you live past your wounds.
Yeah, I ran right through them. Shit, hell was a wound.
You ran right
I
through
ran
them.
right through all my wounds. And girl, if you saw all the wounds I had, you dropped dead.
I dropped dead.
You would drop dead.
Oh my God.
Because you would not be able to deal with it. Tell me. That's why I tell people, don't bother me, please. Just leave me the hell alone. Just leave me be. I try to keep my nightmares from coming up on me in the middle of the night. Nightmares from childhood. Please don't bother. Leave me be. You got to.
I'm gonna ride the Lowe's now and get the screen.
Oh, come on, Bet. No.
I got to go get the
No,
screen now.
Don't take me to Lowe's, please. Come on now. You then we're put screens. Come on now.
Come on, you can ride with me.
I think you're getting a little overboard. No, I don't want to go. Got no teeth in my mind trying to splurge. I'm not vain, but to hell with all this trying to be seen.
I'm heading on up.
That's what I'm gonna give me a car.
Let me stop at CVS and get some mints.
Betsy, please take me home. Are you losing your mind?
I'm gonna get some mints for the bowl.
What?
The bowl is low, Mom.
I'm gonna check and see that apartment's still good.
Huh?
I'm gonna check and see if another apartment's still available. I'm getting away from you.
You get away from
I'm getting the hell away from you, but
Oh,
you're taking me to I don't know where I'm going.
it's right there at CVS, the mints.
Betsy, what mints?
The
Betsy,
candies.
Betsy, take me
Little
home, please.
candy.
We'll get candies, lady. You don't need no mints now.
I really wanted these mints.
For what?
To eat. I wish Rite Aid was still open.
Oh, don't even worry about it. Please, no mints. It's 100 degrees out here. You can get mints in the morning. Tomorrow night or even later.
And I got a little piece of screen in the house. Mom, stop. All I want you to do is hold it. While I wait a minute.
Try to get away from you. It's good. Ball field, goddamn.
All I want you to do is hold it, and I'm gonna put some tape. Make sure I got enough.
Girl, it's hot out here. Let's do this in the morning.
Huh?
Early in the morning, we can fix up. You worrying about this?
Wait a minute, Mom. I ain't finished parking.
You know what? I want to get away from you. I'm scared.
All I want you to do is hold it.
I'm like the girl now. I'm
Well,
scared.
I put the tape on it.
I'm scared of you. I ain't working out here with you no 90-degree weather. Get out of
You
here.
think there's enough space for the neighbor to be able to park behind us?
Yeah, you parked in front of your door.
No, I mean, look behind. Wait a minute. Oh.
You know what?
That's so funny. She don't even know I was taping her.